Hello children, this is grade 5, block 10 and S2. Topic is life cycle of a frog, presented by Carolyn teacher. Open your readers page number 65. Just you go through this one, right? Read this paragraph, underline the hard words and write these hard words in your classwork book. And at the same time down you can see the life cycle of a frog. Diagram is there, beautiful diagram. Just you draw this diagram on the left side of your classwork book. Now I am going to explain you what is this one. So today in this one, the stages of development of a frog you are going to learn. So information about the life cycle of a frog you are going to see. So here baby frogs hatch from eggs laid by adult frogs in rivers, streams and ponds. Okay, so they do not need any care from their parents and are able to move and eat on their own soon after birth, right? So here egg, from egg tadpole you can see here, tadpoles from the eggs they will turn into embryos and from there it will turn into tadpoles. Okay, from tadpole this is called froglet. Okay, and fully grown frog, adult frog. Okay, so here you can see frogs are various stages in the life cycle of this one. Okay, various stages in the life cycle of a frog. So here when you see, first when you see eggs, when you see the eggs here, jelly like coating it will be there on them. Okay, so next one when you see after few days, here within a few days the embryos will develop into tadpoles. Okay, so tadpoles also will look like a small fish. They live in water and they will breathe with their gills and they will eat plants and small insects in the water. So tadpoles first grow for the tadpoles first grow the hind legs. Okay, hind legs and then forelegs. Hind legs means back legs it will grow and then forelegs. So here the tadpole form into froglet. Okay, young frog. This is called a froglet, which looks like here frog with the tail you can see, and afterwards it will develop into an adult frog. So many changes it will go. So here the transformation of a tadpole into a frog involves a complete change in its shape. So this process is called metamorphosis, right? This process is called a metamorphosis. Now here already I have told you tadpoles eats plants and mooses growing in the water. Other tadpoles and insects, frogs eat insects. Okay, so here the frog hatches out of an egg and develop into an adult who can lay own eggs, thus restarting the process by which it was born. So this process repeats. It is called a life cycle, right? So a tadpole and a frog looks very different from each other. So this complete change in the way a tadpole looks when it is an adult is called metamorphosis, right children? So one more thing I want to tell you about this one. Some poisonous substances can make tadpoles slow in their movement because tadpoles live in water. Already, when the water is pollution is not there, it will be very active. But any pollution is there, the movement will be very slow. So this makes them an easy prey for fish. Okay, when the tadpoles are very slow, it will be very easy for the fish to eat. So if the life cycle of frog is affected, it means that the water has poisonous substances in it, right children? So here what is harmful for frogs can also be harmful for us. Yes, so the life cycle of frogs helps scientists easily to monitor the level of poisonous substances in the water. Got it children? Okay, now we'll go to the questions. Okay, page number 68. Here in this one you draw the diagram, write about the stages of life cycle of a frog. Already I have showed you. So here you have to write in a point wise, right? Write in a point wise. See here the eggs, the frog lay lots of eggs in the water. Like that from till full stop, just you make one point like that you have to write in a point wise. Next one, from here to here you have to write answer full. Next one means from here to small insects. Okay, now next one here, why is the transformation of a tadpole into a frog called metamorphosis? Means what is metamorphosis? So here what you will write the answer. Here, the transformation of a tadpole into a frog involves a complete change in its shape. The process called metamorphosis you have to Right. Okay. Why? Because already I told you the tadpole and a frog look very different from each other. So this complete change in the way a tadpole looks when it is an adult. So this is called a metamorphosis. This answer also you can write. Okay. So now here, this two you have to go. Third and fourth you have to go. Now we will go with workbook page number 11. Okay. So here you can see, describe the stages in the life cycle of a frog. What is this one? Egg, tadpole and the hind legs and frog. So here just you see in the reader and write down each point, children. Next one. What do you understand by the term metamorphosis? Explain metamorphosis in frogs. So here what do you understand by the metamorphosis? So here a complete change in form of an organism is called metamorphosis. So a tadpole undergoes a complete change in its physical appearance to become a frog. That answer you have to write. Okay. Now third one. How do poisonous substances in water affect the life cycle of a frog? So here the poisonous substances in the water can make tadpoles slow move in their movement. Okay. This makes them an easy prey for fish. Okay. Sometimes many tadpoles die because of the water pollution. So this is the lesson, children. Complete the given work neatly. Diagram also beautiful. Color it. Label with pencil. Draw the diagram with pencil. Label it with pencil and do the work neatly and correctly. Thank you.